is to determine the validity of their claims. And if the validity is established, then OWA is willing to advance the money claims of all the OFWs in Saudi Arabia. Yun po ang aming ginagawa para sa inyo po. Maraming salamat po.
Mabuti ho kayo nagtanong kayo para malaman ninyo. By the time magland ako pa uwi, kasama ko na ang mga undocumented pati yung mga illegal na punta dito. They will all be ferried home. Ang first batch niyan, pag landing ko sa Davao, landing yung eroplano, dala sila. And we will continue to do that. Hindi lang kasi ninyo alam, okay, hindi mo kayo nagtatanong, that is why this is as good as any other time to ask your question. We are working very hard for you. Kaya nga ako pumunta dito, nauna nga kayo eh. Para i-announce ko na nakausap ko yung si King and he has committed so many things for you. Hintayin na lang ninyo. Pero yung naghirap, anytime you want to go home, sabihin lang ninyo, dadaling ko na kayo. The first batch is, when I land also. Yung maganda na gusto nang umuwi, katabi kita sa aeroplano, bakante. Yes, I'm willing to answer your question. Wala kaming hangarin dito except your welfare. That is why this is my first destination.
Assalamualaikum, Mr. President.
Alaikum salam.